Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C33. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. Install wallet. Or just press Not Now. As you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and add passes like Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, Tap to Pay setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks and manage your passwords. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.